Hello everyone, this is Hafiz with you and welcome to my channel. As you can see, this video is about building a network cabinet from scratch. It is very important to build your network cabinet properly. If you don't have a good cable management strategy in place, not only your rack will look unorganized, but it can make maintenance more complicated. So I recorded this video from scratch so you can have an idea how to professionally set up your network cabinet. So let's get started. First, I will manage my cable bundle using Cable Bundle Organizer. You just need to run all cables inside this small device as you can see in the video. Now I am moving this cable bundle organizer device and putting cable ties one by one. After we manage our cable bundles, let's pull all the cables inside the cabinet. Now here we have 24 port patch panel, so it's time to patch all the cables inside this patch panel. Then later I will show you how I fix this patch panel inside the cabinet. Now patch panel is ready. We fixed all the 24 cables inside the patch panel. Now you can see at the top we fixed 24 port patch panel, and then next to that there is cable manager, and now we are fixing 24 port PoE Linksys switch. Then after this switch there will be another cable manager to manage this rack and cables, everything properly. So after fixing all the stuff inside the cabinet, now it's time to run all the cables from patch panel to this PoE switch. So you can see in the video and get an idea how I'm fixing this cable inside the patch panel first, and then running these cables through the cable manager, and then fixing back inside this PoE 24 port switch. after fixing all the cables properly inside the switch. So let's now put cable manager cover to give it more elegant and clean look. So here is final result. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and next time when you build your network cabinet, you will have an idea how to manage it professionally. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos. Thanks.